Today I am going to walk you through the Quantium data analytics job simulation or the internship you can say on the Forage platform. Friend, this is a free self-paced program where you literally do some task as a data analyst at Quantium, which is the global data science and AI company. And friend, by the end of this video, you will not just know how to complete this job simulation or the internships. I am also going to teach you some important data analytic terms that recruiters actually look for. So even if you don't do this program, you will walk away smarter. Let's get into. So friend, before going to check the about this job simulation program provided by the Quantium, let's first understand about the Quantium. So friend, Quantium was founded in 2002 and today it is a global leader in data science and artificial intelligence, that is AI, and they work across retail, banking, healthcare and telecom, basically any industry that needs to understand customer behavior through data. And now here is the interesting part. This simulation is not some generic quiz. It is built by Quantium's own data analyst. So the task you complete in this job simulation, the sample solutions you compare against come directly from the professionals working in the industry today. So all are designed by the Quantium employees only. So if you confused about what is the job simulation and the free courses, so I will let you clear here first. A job simulation is different from a course. A course teaches you theory, and job simulations give you an actual task like a real analyst would receive from a manager, and you complete it using a real or realistic data. There is no live class, no deadline pressure. It is a self-paced, and once you finish, you compare your work with model solutions made by the company's own teams. So this was the about the job simulations. So friend, before going to check the this job simulation, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity and technology related videos, so please subscribe Info Roshan. So friend, as I have told earlier, this is the official page of the Forage who is providing this Quantium data analytics job simulations. So it requires around 4 to 5 hours and it is a self-paced, and it will help you once you complete this program and get the certificate, then it will make your application stronger when you are applying for the jobs. So here you can see I have told earlier about the company, and here you can see about the things are given here. As I had told earlier, I will explain you some of the key terms which you know, which you will learn in this job simulation. So I will explain you first that that is the commercial thinking. So friend, commercial thinking means understanding business needs and using data to help a company make better decisions, increase profits and solve business problems. And talking about the communication skill, it is a very important irrespective of you are doing any job, you are the students, it is required for all the people. And communication skills are the ability to explain data, insights and ideas clearly so that everyone can understand them. So friend, being as a data analyst, you make the dashboards. If you are unable to explain those dashboards to the other team members, then it will be difficult. So you need a very good communication skills. Talking about the data analysis is the process of examining data to identify the pattern, there is any trends and useful information that supports decision making. And data cleaning, you have heard about these terms, and data cleaning is the process of finding and fixing errors. You can remove the duplicate records and handling the missing data to improve the quality. Talking about the next, that is a data validation. Data validation is the process of checking whether data is accurate, complete and follows the required rules before it used. Data visualization, this is the very important skill for the data analytics or data science. persons because data visualization is the practice of presenting data using the charts, graphs and dashboards to make information easy to understand. So this is the very important skills. Presentation skills and the communication skills is must required for the students. Presentation skills are the ability that you can confidently present your data findings and explain the insights and communicate recommendation to the audience. Programming for the, if you are as a working as a data analyst, then you should know the some of the writing code such as the Python or the SQL to collect, process and analyze, automate data related tasks. And the next one is the statistical analysis. So it is the process of using mathematical and statistical methods to analyze data, identify the trends and make reliable predictions or decisions. So these are the some skills you will learn here. And friend, to get this type of certificates, you have to do the some task. So let's check about that. So for you can see here total 3 tasks are given which you have to perform. First one is the data preparation and the customer analytics. So here you will understand the how to examine and clean the transaction and customer data, the purchasing behavior, and you will create charts and graphs to present data insights here. And for that you have to means what you have to do here, you have to identify the trends, inconsistencies, then you can see you have to examine the sales driver to gain insights, and you have to finding to formulate a clear recommendation for the client synergy. Talking about the task 2, that is experimentation and uplift testing. So here you will understand experimentation and uplift testing, comparing trial and control stores. Then you have to learn control store selection based defined metrics, and then some data visualization skills. And here you have to use the Python or R language for the data analysis and visualizations. Talking about the task 3, here you will learn the use the pyramid principles. And so if you don't know about the pyramid principle, I will explain you. So basically this is the communication framework originally developed for business consulting, and the idea is a simple: start with your main conclusion first and then support it with your reasoning and back that up with the detailed data. Most students or the working professional do the opposite. They explain everything first and reveal the conclusion at the end. In the corporate world, especially with the senior stakeholders, you lead with the answers. So this is for the pyramid principle. So all these things you will learn here. And friend, once you complete all this task and upload your document to the required means once you register, you will get the proper details where you have to upload, and then you will get this type of certificates here which you can use in resume, in your LinkedIn profile, and you can apply for the multiple jobs. So question is that how you will apply. So you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you will be come to this page here, and here you have to click on start free simulations, and then you can see here once you click then this type of page will come. So if you are already registered in the forest, you can directly log in. If not, then you have to enter your email address, and you have to click on this create free account, and you have to provide your first name, last name, you have to create one password, you have to enter your date of birth, your school details or the university details, and the graduation date. So you have to enter here. And if you are the working person, you can mention the company name here, and then you click on this agree and join. Then you will be registered in this program, from where you can access this all these things, and you will get the achievements like certificate, resume snippet, interview tips, and the skills. So friend, if you have any query, please comment on the video. We will definitely check and provide you the answers. And please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.